Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, integers. This is the first part. The collection of negative numbers, positive numbers, and zero together are called integers. Now, what are positive integers? The numbers starting from 1 to infinity, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up to infinity are called positive integers. Negative integers, the numbers starting from -1 to -infinity are called negative integers. That is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. It will go up to infinity. Now zero is neither positive nor negative. I have already mentioned it in the previous chapter. So 0 is also included in integers. Now let us have a concept on the number line and a representation of integers on that number line. Here I have a line, and at the middle of the line I marked 0. I have put some points which are at equidistance from 0 to the right and to the left. From 0 to the right, I have written the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity, which are positive integers. And to the left of 0, I have written numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 like that. Therefore, the numbers which are written in the right side of 0 are positive integers, and the numbers which are written on the left side are negative integers. You can see that in the slide. Now I have 3 points. Positive integers are greater than 0. Negative integers are smaller than 0. Therefore, altogether I can say positive integers are greater than negative integers. Now the next topic is comparing and ordering integers. I have drawn the number line. 0 is at the middle, which is neither positive nor negative. To the right side of the number 0, we have positive integers, and to the left side of 0, we have negative integers. Positive integers are always greater than the negative integers. In the number line, the numbers in the right side are greater than numbers of the left side. So the numbers which are in the right side are greater than numbers of the left side. Here I can see that 4 is at the right side of the number 2. Therefore 4 is greater than 2. I can see that -2 is right side of -3. Therefore, -2 is greater than -3. Again, I am considering -5 and 0. I can see from the number line that 0 is at the right side of -5. Therefore, 0 is greater than -5, or -5 is smaller than 0. If I consider -1 and 1, -1 is at the left side of 1, so -1 is less than 1. And another point to remember, if a and b are two integers, such that A is greater than B, then minus A is smaller than minus B. So, if I explain this, I can say that if two numbers, I have two integers, 4 and 5, we know that 5 is greater than 4, but minus 5 is smaller than minus 4. That is, minus 4 will be greater than minus 5. Now, let us have a look on popular assumptions on positive and negative quantities. Which are the quantities we assume positive and negative in our daily life? I have made a list. Let's have a look over it. Number 1, above the sea level, we assume it as positive. The sea level is assumed as 0. Below the sea level, that is under the sea, we assume it as negative. Number 2, a gain in business is positive, and if it is loss, then we assume it as negative. Number 3, increase in anything, that is increase in numbers or increase in height, increase in anything is positive, and decrease in anything is assumed negative. Number 4, moving forward is positive and going backward is negative. Number 5, if north is positive, then south will be negative. This is the opposite of north. If east is positive, west will be negative. That means the opposite direction is assumed negative. If deposit of money in bank is positive, then withdrawal money is negative. Deposit is positive, the opposite of deposit is withdrawal, so withdrawal will be assumed negative. Temperature above 0 degree is positive, temperature below 0 degree is assumed negative. Now, let us do some exercises based on the number line. Question number 1, write 5 integers smaller than 2. So, I have drawn the number line. I have written 0, and to the right side of 0, I have written the numbers up to 2, because I have to write the numbers which are smaller than 2. To the left side of 2, I have written some numbers. I have written up to minus 5. You have to solve question number 4 of exercise 4.1 like this only. So I have written with the red ink. So you mark it as an important point. The smaller numbers are to the left side of 2. I can see in the number line that 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 like that are on the left side of 2. Therefore, these numbers are less than 2. So, if we have to make list of 5 integers which are smaller than 2, then it will be 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 like that. I have written only 5. 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, which are smaller than 2. Exercise number 2, write 5 greater numbers than minus 3. This is same as question number 4 of exercise 4.1. You remember this point. I have drawn the number line starting from 0 to the right, the numbers are positive, and to the left side of 0 the numbers are negative. Now I have to write 5 greater numbers than 3. I can see that the numbers which are greater than minus 3 are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. You can pick up any 5 numbers of these numbers from the right side of minus 3. Next exercise, write any 3 numbers between minus 1 and 4. Again, this is same as question number 3 of exercise 4.1. For this, I have drawn the number line. From 0 to the right, I have written some positive numbers. From 0 to left, I have written some negative numbers. Now, I have marked or I have circled number 4 and number minus 1. I can see that between these two numbers there are 4 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I have to write any 3 numbers between minus 1 and 4. So you can write 0, 1, 2, or you can write 0, 1, 3. You can write 1, 2, 3, like this. Now let us do some exercises from exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Write the opposite of each of the following. As I have given you the list, from the list you can write a loss of rupees 900. I have to write the opposite of the given statement. So I shall write a gain of rupees 900. Question number 2. Going to the east. The opposite of this statement will be going to the west. You do homework from question number 1 and 2 as I have given you as homework in the page number 8. Question number 2. Indicate the following by using integers. So you have to write the given statement in numerical form. You have to use the rules of integers. 9 degrees centigrade above 0. 9 degrees centigrade is temperature. So above 0 temperature is assumed positive. So if I have to write in numerical form, I have to write positive 9 degree centigrade or plus 9 degree centigrade. Number 5. Withdrawal of rupees 950. I have given you the list. It is mentioned that a deposit is positive, withdrawal is negative. So we have withdrawal money rupees 950, that is reduction in money, decrease in money. So we have to write a negative sign in front of the quantity rupees 950. So classwork for you is exercise from exercise 4.1, question number 1 and question number 2. Those are very easy. And homework is question number 3 and question number 4, which are solved in the slides. You can check for help. And this is all for today's class. Have a great day ahead.